Okay, so which IPO? Yeah, it's coming soon. Tega Industries Limited IPO is gonna come soon. And Star Health and Allied Industries Limited IPO. We can apply by clicking here. Okay, so there are two IPOs. Okay, Tega Star Health and Allied Industries closes on 2nd December, and look at the prices. It's minimum and maximum lot means if you are going for 12 lots, then 12 into 870 rupees. Okay, we can apply like this. See, I'll show you also how to apply it. It's very easy. Click on apply. Okay, so you have to enter your UPI ID over here. Suppose I want to buy 13 lots, that's the maximum lots. Cutoff price is 900 rupees, and see how much I can invest money in which company. Star Health and Allied Industries Limited. Okay, accept the terms and conditions and invest. Okay, you have to invest like this. It's very easy. Suppose if you don't want to take any risk and you want to take only one lot, then 1 into 900 will be how much? 140 14,400 rupees. According to this cutoff price, 900 rupees, they are taking 900 rupees. Okay, no discount and anything. I'm just going to cancel it because right now I'm not going to apply for the IPO. Okay, so you can apply IPO like this. After that you can apply for Tega Industries Limited also. That's prices also half of what this we are applying. Apply. Okay, so this is Tega Industries Limited. Oh, lot size is 33. Maximum lot size is 33. Lot size cannot be more than 13. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so how much it is? Amount is 1,94,000 maximum amount. For which company? Tega Industries Limited. Okay, yeah. And now I'm going to show you, if you want to see Tega Industries Limited, which website you are going to go for is Securities Exchange Board of India. Okay, that's a public issue. We can this is the government site where you can go for filings, processing status, public issues, final offer documents filed with the ROC. If you want to check, okay, now this is Go Fashion, Tarsans, Latent, Sapphire. This is Paytm's prospectus. We don't want to see this, we want to see another. Wait, public issue, wait, final offer, draft offer, we'll go for draft offer document filed with SEBI. Okay, so Jason's, which one we saw? Jason's. Okay, the company is Tega Industries Limited, and another was Star Health and Allied Industries Limited. We're gonna go for Star Health and Allied. We don't know what kind of a documents it had filed, so we're gonna go for adhering prospectus only. Okay, so yeah, Tega Industries and Star Health also we got. Okay, both of the prospectus we got. We just want only one. We'll go for this Star Health and Insurance. Star Health and Insurance, we have to click over here because they had already filed their prospectus, and it's opening. Read hearing documents filed with the ROC. You can also download it. It could take some time, and you need Wi-Fi for this. See, it's taking some time because sometimes you're not allowed to watch it. Although these are public documents, but because this is an ongoing IPO, so it might take some time. They may also, view your location also, because you want more information about the company. What's wrong with it? Nothing is wrong, so we are not going to close it. We're going to see. Sometimes people even get in trouble when you use any kind of a government websites. Actually this is of a public information, but I don't think that you're allowed to show it on YouTube and everything. So I'm just going to close this because we don't want any trouble. I don't want any trouble, right? So I'm just going to close it because it's not opening, even though I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. So its pages is all like 800 to 400, 500, 600 pages. I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, and still there is a problem, some error has occurred, so forget it, we don't want it, so we are gonna cancel it, we don't want it. Let's see if we can get another prospectus. We're gonna go for Go Fashion. You know, the ladies is what's the Tega Industries? Let's just see. It has also filed a red herring prospectus. Let's just see if it, shows us some information that has filed with the ROC and with filed with the stock exchange also. They are supposed to file each and every documents with the ROC and stock exchange, and they are supposed to disclose each and every information. I mean, whatever the tax compliances is left, or any proceedings or any litigations is left. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna take some time. So this Tiga Industries Limited, it's we are about to see a red herring prospectus which they had filed on 25th of November, as you can see over here. So it's not opening. How much time will it take? I don't know. You want to see the market? Till then we can see the market. It will download. We are going to see the market. Let us see the market. Yeah, it's recovering. Market is recovering. See, and no issues. The market is recovering. Great. We don't want to see now. We're gonna look at the prices. We're gonna look at the prices. Yeah, 70,000 just went to 114, 112. It's gonna go down. It's gonna go below 100 rupees as per my view, because now only 1 minute is left. 325, only 1 minute is left. See, I told you it's gonna go down because the premium has to decay. The premium has to decay. And yeah, we just got our prospectus. Oh my god, we are very lucky. We got Tega Industries Limited. So I'm just gonna do here, I'm gonna just download it, because I'm not supposed to actually download and don't want to be in any kind of a trouble. But I'm just saying that you can also download, because these are public documents, okay, and anybody can watch it, okay. So I'm just gonna open this. Let us see if we can open prospectus which has been filed with the stock exchanges of this. Wait, I have to download again one more time, because I want to save this kind of Go Fashion. This is Go Fashion prospectus already downloaded, because for my exams I have downloaded it. And now there is another. We're gonna name it Tiga. Okay, that's Tiga is a very good name. I like Tigan Price Tiga. It's great name. Yeah, I'm saving it into my documents. Okay, now I'm going to open it and see. We're gonna save the prices. Okay, it's not going below, but it has to go, because the time, I mean, it has the market is gonna close in some way. I'm gonna minimize this. Yeah, see, market is also recovering, and yeah, that is great news. I'm gonna minimize this, and we're gonna read the Tika prospectus. Let us see. This is not a promotion channel. First of all, let me tell you, this is not a promotion channel, and I'm gonna go for yeah. This is. Hey, where am I saving everything? I'm not even aware of it. Where am I saving? Oh man, I have to go to downloads. Oh man, where did I save it, man? The recent places. Okay, we're gonna check again. Where did I save this? Okay, so we're gonna go another for let us download it again. Yeah, we are saving in, see, 2021 exam preparation after time. We have saved over here. Yes, I got it. So we're gonna go for F drive, this exam preparations after time, and oh my god, how many are there? Yeah, I got. We are opening. We are about to see the prospectus, the red herring prospectus. Okay, 100% book built offer, 100% book built offer. The section number 32 of the Companies Act 2013. Here comes the logo of Tiga Industries Limited. Actually, I'm not supposed to show everything. If anybody claims that this is very confidential information, then I might have to remove this video. Okay, so we're not gonna share anything which we cannot be in trouble. So I'm gonna just maximize for you. Okay, 200%. So this is not visible at all. Wait, 125% was enough. Okay, so can you see? Okay, first of all, it's a promoter. I'm not gonna say all the names also, because I'm not interested. Okay, so how many what you can see, the merchant bankers and lead managers, they have been appointed. This is Access Capital, this is GM Financing, this is LinkedIn Time, this is registrar to the issue. Can you see that? This is registrar to the offer. Then this is book running lead managers. Okay, we are gonna go issues and selling shareholders absolute responsibility. Okay, you can download it also. So the bid is going on, and this page is intentionally left blank. We are not interested in that. Okay, so we're gonna go just full speed. We are gonna go, this is the AOA, MOA, AOA, the details, MD's name and everything. This is like pura khandan like of this company, so we are not gonna, you know, shareholders agreement. How many pages is it? It's 428 pages. See, 428 pages. Okay, so you can also download it and you know, read it. So this was the overview of today's session, I may say. See, I'm excited about these things, and you can also be excited about the market is closed. I'm gonna show you how, at what points. Yeah, see, it's recovering. So yeah, 100% recovery. And now I'm going to just end this video because wait, yeah, we were over here, see, 106, 107. Okay, the market, the premium is decaying. So I'm just gonna end the video. Thank you for watching, guys, and it was lovely showing you guys that you should be excited. You can be excited about many things, okay, in this world. Don't feel bored, and you know, make your life something interesting. And yeah, this is amazing things you can do, but you don't have to risk any type of capital. So my main reason to show you all this, that you can only earn when you can learn. Okay, so learn and earn, okay. Now market is just gonna close right now, so it's only 1 minute is left, and you can also end the video. I'm also ending the video in 1 minute, and it will show us post. Okay, 11 seconds is left, 10 seconds is left for the market to close, 8 seconds is left. Sorry for the poor quality video, guys. I'm gonna show some more nice quality video, but yes, see, the market is closed. Okay, post, the market is closed, 3:30 exact time, market is closed. So we'll see for tomorrow. Bye bye, everybody.